Here's the problem. I want friends, but I don't know how to make them. Dear guy, I'm around people regularly, work, gym, classes, but nothing turns into connection. Conversations stay polite. Everyone goes home. I wonder how friendships seem to happen for others without effort, but not for me. Despite trying small kindnesses, asking questions, showing interest, following up, staying present, and wondering whether timing, luck, or something unseen keeps friendships out of reach. What am I missing? Well, this is not an unusual situation. This is common for many people. Here's the big idea to solve it. What we're going to do is we have to question beliefs. Basically, we ask, is it true? Am I destined to be without friends because I have a belief based on past experience that isn't for me? I'm just unlucky in love. Number two, challenge the belief. Ask yourself, is there another way? Number three, take a step. Get out of your comfort zone because self-limiting beliefs, they enslave us, they trap us. We need to break free of them. I need you to believe that change is possible. So here are the steps that actually will permanently solve that problem. So the solution, no more lonely heart club. Challenge lonely beliefs through action. Take a small social risk. Say something kind in passing. Number three, good to see you. Number four, hope your day's going well. Number five, have a great day. Number six, enjoy the rest of your day. Number seven, I want you to search Facebook groups locally. Number eight, which is your city and your interest meetup. Whatever that happens to be, dancing, collecting stamps, I don't care. It's a meetup where you're going to meet people. And what I want you to do is just be kind to people without expectation. And if you bump into these people regularly at this meetup or coffee shop or wherever it is, and you're a shining light, you're a warm, supportive person, you're kind and generous, where others are neutral, others don't take an interest, others don't wish me well. How are you? Great to see you. But you do. It's going to have a huge impact on people. And it'll get the ball rolling for conversations to begin. And then take an interest in her, take an interest in him. Find out what they love, what their interests are, see what you have in common. And who knows, you might be bumping into your very best new friend. So good work. So the key here is to challenge beliefs. I can't have that because of this, and so on and so forth. Always ask yourself, is it true? What you'll find is beliefs, unchallenged, left unchallenged, many of them, we've embraced some crazy stuff. And however, when you explore them, you find out just aren't true. That there's a strategy. If you ask the question, well, what can I do that's different? What can I try that's different that I haven't done before? And you try that. What will serve you well is as long as you're kind, as long as you're warm, as long as you're not entitled to anything or you're not demanding of someone else responding in a particular way, but you're a very kind and generous person, people will be attracted to you, sure. So good work. So if you like this video, please press like. If you have a friend that could use this video, please forward this video to them. If you have a problem or something that you'd like to solve, please put down the comment. I'd love to create a solution for you. If you'd like to find out more about how we can interact with each other, go to stan.store Monroe, where we can interact and take our communication and our connections to the next level. Thank you so much for watching this video. I'm Guy Monroe, and I look forward to seeing you next video.